your videos are stuck at 0 views, it's not bad luck, it's bad signals. Fix these mistakes and YouTube finally knows who to show your videos to. First, YouTube doesn't trust you right now. YouTube might be treating your channel like a bot. Even if your account is old, that doesn't automatically mean YouTube trusts you. Whether your channel is new or old, trust has to be proven over time. Before YouTube starts pushing your videos, it needs clear signals that a real human is behind the account. And those signals come from normal user behavior. Watch YouTube videos regularly. Like them. Leave real, meaningful comments. Subscribe to other creators in your niche. This shows YouTube that you're not just uploading videos, you're actually participating as a viewer. Do this consistently for 7 days. No spam, no fake activity. As YouTube detects real human behavior, your account slowly builds trust. And that's the first step to escaping 0 view jail. Now, the second mistake that kills most channels: deleting and re-uploading videos. A lot of creators think re-uploading will fix low views, but it actually does the opposite. YouTube learns over time. Every video you upload quietly collects data in the background. That data helps YouTube understand who your content is for, how viewers react, and when to recommend it. When you delete a video, all of that learning disappears. Every click, every second of watch time, every signal, gone. And when you re-upload the same video, YouTube treats it like a brand new upload. You're forcing the algorithm to start from 0 again. Another big reason creators stay stuck is switching niches too early. Many YouTubers upload a few videos, see low views, panic, and immediately change topics. They think the niche is the problem, but most of the time, it's just impatience. YouTube needs time to understand who your audience is. Every video you upload helps the platform learn which viewers should see your content. Next, you need to understand one important thing. YouTube is a demand-based platform. The algorithm doesn't randomly push videos. It recommends content based on what it already knows people want to watch. If you're making videos on topics that nobody is searching for or watching, YouTube has nothing to work with. It doesn't know who your video is for. That's where most creators go wrong. They make videos about what they personally find interesting, not what viewers actually want. If people aren't already watching or searching for that topic, the algorithm can't confidently recommend your video, even if the video itself is good. Let's talk about viral content. If you're posting overused viral clips that have already been uploaded thousands of times, YouTube may limit your views. The platform has seen it before, so it has no reason to push another copy. That's why simple re-uploads don't work long term. You need to transform the content. Add your own voiceover. Add captions that guide attention. Add on-screen icons or emojis to create movement. And most importantly, focus on the first 3 seconds. That's where viewers decide whether to stay or scroll. If your video looks the same as everything they've already seen, they scroll instantly. But when your version feels different, personal, and visually active, YouTube gets new signals to work with. That's how you stop looking invisible, and that's how you finally escape 0 view jail.